Hey guys, in this video we will create monogram logo design in pixselab. Very easy to create. So let's get started. Open the pixselab app. It is in description link. Click the last second option and click color and choose black color and go to text and create a view V. So we are going to create a 𝐴𝐾 logo design. So we are flicking V and go to fonts and my fonts and go to I have many fonts, so I give in description link. Go and check it. How to add font in my next channel I have uploaded, link also given in descriptions. So choose a font. I have font link also descriptions. All font I use all are all in descriptions. Go and check it. If you just zoom it, so and turn it as a and click copy and choose. So now click as K. So we are going to create 𝐴𝐾 logo designs. Just rotate it and adjust it to that 𝐴𝐾 and use these options to correct the mistakes you done. So now make a clear 𝐴𝐾 logo designs with these adjustments. If you are not followed me in Instagram, go and follow. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to get many more. In last video we will create a lower thirds, so I will give the description link. Go and check it. Now I merge it and elaborate and go to colors and choose blue color. I am now choosing it. So I want to get a best pair, so I am choosing blue color, but it's not nice, so go to white. So now go to last third option and choose blue. Now it's good. Just adjust the blue color, so it's really nice. So just zoom it and save the image. I am now adjusting it, so now save the image. Hey guys, if you love my work, click the subscribe button and hit the like button. Happy Diwali friends. And if you want many more videos, just subscribe, because it's my pleasant to have you all as a viewers, because I'm a beginner for graphic designing but no many more. So thanks for giving me the support. So let's we see in next video.